TRUG stock analysis Friday. Is it a buy? Monday. So this is definitely for Monday. So whether I'm buying or not for the next week, let's talk about Trugolf Stock. First of all, 31% gains is just phenomenal numbers, and this is not just to kind of say that yeah, it's phenomenal and whatnot. It doesn't look good for me though. Like, if I look at the weekly or the daily chart, you have to understand that this is still where we're coming from this weekly supply high area. And I'm actually just going to correct this a little bit. This is the supply area that we're coming from. If we start breaking above 1.27, then and only then this is going to be maybe something that I'll long. But everything that's not going to be that is going to be proper noise. So in this situation right now, I'm talking like if I see some double breaks, then and only then this is something that I'll participate in. Guess what? Everything else is noise. So if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.